that's what I've been starting to target now. Mostly is like analysts
Yeah.
and associates, just because like they're able to really push you forward.
Yeah, and anybody who has any sort of connection at all to anything you do
Exactly.
outside of school.
Like I give you a perspective. Like my LinkedIn sent is almost at that 500 mark.
Okay.
So once I reach that 500 mark, it'd be like a huge like happiness, low key. Very, very. And then I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom.
So connections is about 500. Sorry, so tell me this. Connection request is how much?
Can you guys see this?
Yeah, weekly. Yeah.
That's like everybody in the group has that, Patrick. Like what you're saying.
I have it too.
There you go.
My sales guys had to slow down. It's a problem. They've started doing that more aggressively, and so it's made it harder.
I feel like they got a lot of bots that came in, and they sent so many invitations out left and right that that's the reason why they put that.
But even the bots, they would block it if it was more than 100 a day. But usually they'd let it go for a while if you did it slowly. I think that's been harder, but there's ways to get emails outside of that. So hunter.io.
Yeah, Patrick, we've shared all that with the group. Everybody knows that.
We know all this.
Like, yeah. This is like, now when MDs like tell us about that, we're like, yep, we're doing that.
But like 100 a day, like you used to be able to do 100 invites a day. And not.
I don't remember what's the number. I can look it up, but
now I think it's like 20 or 30. And
no, it's definitely not 20. Like I do more than that a day.
But probably because you're more well connected, they let you.